Okay.
But yeah, it worked out well. So I'm glad that your team is listening to what we say and they are acting according to that and recommending things that can be changed or adjusted depending on our feedbacks. The first one was very easy. I mean, it was something new I was trying. Not just me, my whole family was excited. So everyone was like helping me out to get the
Wow.
oil done. So everyone was very excited. Two
Super.
months was very easy. Third month, they started doubting it. I was like, nothing is changing. Why are we still buying packages every month? My mom is the one who always puts on the oil and the minoxidil. So it was like it's been 4 or 5 months, and my mom is always complaining. Nothing is changing. Then suddenly one day, my mom was like, I can't see. I can see more hairs. I was like, Mom, come on. Yesterday you did the same thing, and now you're saying it's changed. Mom was like, yeah, but it looks different. And I mean, it was a sudden realization, but I think it was gradual. It's just something which
Yeah.
got spotted at one time.